Hey YouTube, it's Erin and I am the Handbag Housewife and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be kind of a reveal. You've seen this item before, but I sent it away to have some things done to it. Like I talked about when I unboxed it. She had a little bit of a rough ride, but I hope she's okay in there. And there might even be something else, but it's not going to be much of a surprise either. So let's just see if the bag made it unharmed, if I can find a way in to this box. Man. Okay, I think this is the entrance point over here. So there she is. There are actually two bags in this box. The first one is this beautiful Tyler 28 in coral. And you may remember that I got this beautiful Tyler 28 in coral yesterday, and this one's handles were a little wonky. So I hung her on that knob behind me, and really, she's fine now. This one here, it looks pretty good. It has a little mark right there. I'm probably gonna end up just sending this one back because this one came fully wrapped, and like I said, I can see a little, it's something small, but you can see it. It's like a scuff right there. This is the one that came from the store down in Texas. And I mean, they looked it over and said it was fine, and that probably wouldn't bother anybody else. But since I have two of them, the other thing is it looks like there's a weird little stitch situation going on right there. Since I have two of these, I can send one of them back and not have any issues whatsoever doing so. I'm hoping that this one has a price tag on it. I'm not even seeing it. There's no price tag on it. Hopefully that doesn't create an issue. I hate it when they send bags without the price tag. Oh, it's inside. Sometimes the stores do that, actually almost all the time. If it's a display, they'll put the price tag in the bag as opposed to having it hang off so that the store looks more aesthetically pleasing. So that one's going to go back, and that one, this one here, is going to stay with me, the beauty that she is. But enough of that, that's boring. You've already seen that bag. We want to see what's in here. I had a bit of a rocky ride getting this bag. So I got the Tyler 28, I unboxed the Tyler 28, and then I mailed it to a store in Texas to have them do Coach Create on it. If you didn't know it, if you're a Coach Insider, you can do Coach Create twice per year for free for up to $125 or a maximum of 8 pins or flowers. So I did 7 flowers because I found a design online. You can kind of play with it on the Coach Create part of the coach.com website. And so I found a design I liked online, and I'm going to pop a picture of the design I liked in here. And that design caught my attention, but for me, I wanted to kind of switch it up just a tiny bit because I wanted to have it basically like a mirror image of itself. Like I wanted what you just saw in the picture to be opposite of what it was. I wanted to create a mirror image of the image I showed you, and so I worked with a gentleman down at the store, and we took pictures and sent pictures back and forth. We tried to FaceTime, but the connection was terrible. And so we did a little bit of FaceTiming, and then we just started taking pictures, and I would draw on the picture that he sent me, just moving a flower, a tiny bit here, a tiny bit there, and we got it perfect. And then the weekend passed, and on Monday, this past Monday, the Coach Create artisan went to work and put together my design. And they sent me a picture of it on Monday when I was grocery shopping, and I looked at it and my heart just sunk because I felt like they had totally changed my design. And I'm gonna insert a picture of that right here. Okay, so you can see there's a flower that is circled in that design. And when they sent me that image, they said, the flower that's circled has to be where it is because of space limitations on the side of the bag. And that just didn't really make sense to me, and I really did not like how the bag looked. And I really felt like they should have contacted me if there were space limitations so that we could talk about it and reposition the flowers in a different way that was pleasing to me. So I told them I was not happy with it, and they were very gracious and grabbed another Tyler 28. So this that I have in my lap is not my original Tyler 28. And what they did is they put a strip of tape down each side of the bag and said, you've got to work within this border. And so I sent them the original picture of what I wanted, and they recreated it. And I'm telling you, it looks almost exactly like the picture. The second time that they did it, a different artisan did it. And she's one that I think has been around the company for as long as Coach has been doing Coach Create. So she may have a higher level of skill than most anyone else doing Coach Create in the company. And so I'm going to insert a video right now showing the first gentleman who did the initial design. And you can just kind of see in the little clips how the holes are made and how the flowers are inserted through the holes. And I do not have a video of when the lady who did the final project, I don't have a video of her doing that, but you don't really need that because you just saw kind of how it's done. But we went through the whole placing of the flowers again until we got it just right. And this is the final result. Look at that, guys. I am in love. So they put these 7 tea roses on. And if you'll notice, when you compare it to the one that I wasn't happy with, there's a lot more variation in the flower placement going up and down. And the other one was more kind of straight across. And I wanted that because I have this little hang tag here that has a tea rose on it and the oxblood behind it with my initials on it. And then I've got this little charm. And so I wanted this side to come up higher, and I really wasn't getting that effect with the first design, which is not what I actually asked for in the first place anyway. So I got exactly what I asked for. I am super happy. I feel like this is just fabulous, and I can't wait to use it. And so I'm going to grab a strap or two and just show you real quick how I plan to wear this bag. So I played with straps the other day when we were unboxing the just plain black one. And what I found is the Marc Jacobs straps, the clasps on those straps, they were just a little bit too big and too heavy, and they would cause the front of the bag to sag. And I didn't find that out until I set the bag down after the video was over. So the straps that I've been getting through see-through purses would be excellent for these Tyler bags because they're really lightweight. And also the Coach straps are great because the clips are smaller and they don't weigh the bag down. So this is the strap with chain, and I feel like it is fabulous with this bag. And I love it when the handle's draping like that. I feel like, you know, the charm, all the tea roses, they just sort of fall in the perfect spot. So I love this look. And I plan to wear it like that. And then the one other way that I was thinking, actually 2 other ways, because you know, I always have lots of plans with my straps. I have 2 of these straps in colors that would match. This one is in oxblood, and the flowers in the center, they have oxblood, and the lining of the bag is also oxblood. So I was thinking that oxblood might be more fun than black to wear with this bag. Pulling an accent color out of the flowers and even the back of this hang tag when it flips over and the tea rose isn't in the front. So I like that, but I also have a black strap that's exactly like this. And the third option would be to get a thick web strap from seethroughpurses.com. And if you want to go check out that website, I have a code that'll get you 30% off. It's HBHW30. And they have a black thick web strap with gold hardware. And I'm thinking I'm going to order that one because I think that that would be really fun to wear with this bag and also really comfortable and maybe not quite so hot as a leather strap. So those are the 3 ways I plan to wear this beautiful bag. Let me just put the handles up and I'm going to do a quick Autumn Beckman spin. Although I don't really think I need to spin too much because this bag is fabulous on the front, more so than anywhere else. I mean, look at that. Oh, I have 2 hang tags. I'm not quite sure how that happened, but I ended up with an extra hang tag. So, I love the pleating on the side of this bag, and I feel like this is an excellent substitute for the Rogue 25. It's just a little bit longer, but it's a little bit narrower, I think, especially at the top. It's got the leather bits between the feet. It has rolled corner edges instead of glazing, which can cause some problems. It does have glazing around the top, but nothing you can't fix with a little edge coat if you have any troubles. And I can't get enough, guys. I love it. This is the first Tea Rose bag I think I'm going to keep. I had the Rogues in Tea Rose, but they were heavy. And the Rogues for me as a crossbody just felt like a brick on my body. This is so much prettier and more feminine with the pleating detail and how it spreads out. It's just very graceful and beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this beautiful reveal. I'll insert kind of a set of pictures here at the end showing the progression between where we started and moving the different flowers around, so you can kind of get an idea of how to do it if you do end up doing it. But I would definitely say to the store, if you're a picky person like I am, I would definitely say if you have to make any changes, please contact me, because I won't be happy unless I'm involved in the decision-making process, because that's kind of what happened to me. And I am super happy now. They did a fabulous job and I would recommend them. If you want to know which store it is the Houston Galleria Coach. And I worked with Matthew, and then Nisha was the one who did the designs, and they both did a great job. So I'm the Handbag Housewife, and if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring my notification bell so that you are notified of exciting future content such as this. Also, if you haven't found me on Instagram, go do that. And if you want to get in contact another way, you can always email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. Thanks for your time and have a wonderful day. Bye.